Hey everyone, welcome back to What's New with AWS Episode 2, where we break down the latest and greatest from AWS. Today we're covering new EC2 instances, nested virtualization, RDS snapshot improvements, Amazon Bedrock AI updates, and more. Let's get into what's new in AWS February 2026. First up, AWS has announced Amazon EC2 Hpc8a instances, the newest high-performance computing instances powered by the latest fifth-generation AMD EPYC processors. They deliver up to 40% better performance and up to 25% better price performance compared to the previous Hpc8a generation. These are ideal for workloads like computational fluid dynamics, weather forecasting, physics simulations, and other tightly coupled HPC tasks. The Hpc8a family also offers 192 vCPUs, 768 GB of memory, and 300 Gbps elastic fabric adapter networking for fast scaling across clusters. Next up, EC2 M7i instances are now available in the AWS Israel region. These are general-purpose instances powered by custom 4th-gen Intel Xeon Scalable processors, giving AWS customers in the region up to 15% better price performance than previous generation M6i instances. This expansion helps local customers run workloads like web servers, gaming backends, and media streaming right from Israel region, with lower latency. Here's a developer-friendly one. AWS now supports nested virtualization on virtual EC2 instances like C8i, M8i, and R8i. This means you can now run hypervisors like KVM or Hyper-V inside an EC2 VM. Previously, this was only possible with bare metal instances. That opens doors for mobile emulation, test environments, and simulated hardware labs all inside EC2. Next up, AWS has enhanced Amazon RDS and Aurora snapshot restore operations. Now you can view and modify the backup retention period and preferred backup window before restoring a snapshot. Previously, you had to restore first and then make changes. Now you get visibility and control up front, saving time and simplifying restore workflows. AI developers will like this. Amazon Bedrock now supports the latest open-weight foundation models in the Asia-Pacific, Sydney, region. This means faster access to powerful generative AI models from major providers using the Bedrock Mantle endpoint, making it easier to build scalable AI applications with enterprise-grade performance. Finally, AWS Backup now supports AWS PrivateLink for SAP HANA systems on EC2. This lets backup traffic stay entirely on private network connections, an important improvement for customers in finance, healthcare, and government who must keep traffic off the public internet for compliance. That's a quick roundup of the biggest AWS announcements for February 2026. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss AWS updates. Drop a comment below on which feature you want us to demo next. Thanks for watching.